So I was repairing this air conditioning unit. Unfortunately the drain pipe there got blocked up and then it overflowed. Probably going to put a plastic container underneath there, but the clips on the back had been broken off. I don't know if you can see there. There used to be clips that go in, but so obviously this kept falling over. I think someone lifted it upwards instead of out and designed sort of flaw. But anyway, since I had it apart, I actually hot glued some magnets at the back there. They actually come up to about here, and then down the bottom here I put a screw through. So as a sort of fix, you can see there, magnetic. This one doesn't quite go in as well as what I'd like, but it's, I guess, better than it falling out. But that side works quite well. Maybe just a bit of angle grinding, but yeah, quite happy with that. As you can see, snaps back in. Yeah, seemed to work nice. If anyone else needs it, something like that,